Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning. Before you've even had your very first sip of chai or coffee, your business has already been hard at work. It's generated new leads, replied to eager prospects, posted a really insightful update on LinkedIn, followed up with an old client on WhatsApp, booked 2 meetings, updated your CRM, and even emailed out a personalized proposal. And the craziest part? All of this happened while you were literally fast asleep. No one logged in, no one had to manually hit publish, no one was frantically chasing down leads. Just a system working tirelessly in the background for you.
Now, I know exactly what you might be thinking. A business that works around the clock without any manual effort? Sounds impossible, right? Or maybe it sounds like something only massive corporations with million-dollar tech budgets can pull off. Well, not anymore. Welcome to today's Explainer. I'm here to show you, especially if you're an Indian professional, an entrepreneur, or a small business owner, exactly how to build practical AI systems that actually solve real business problems. We are going to completely transform the way you work. So here's our roadmap for this explainer. First, we'll dive into the consistency trap. Then we'll look at the digital workforce, followed by the AI marketing machine blueprint. After that, we'll walk through a real-world business scenario, map out your connected tech stack, and wrap it all up with a very practical 6-week implementation plan. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. The consistency trap. Let's talk about why marketing actually fails.
You know, the truth, most of us honestly try to ignore is that marketing today isn't hard because you've run out of ideas or because you have a bad product. It fails because of a lack of consistency. Think about it. One day you post on LinkedIn, but the next day you're completely swamped with client work, so the social posting just stops. Emails go unsent. Inquiries pile up in your inbox, leads get ignored, and inevitably, your sales slow down. As professionals, we're expected to juggle everything from content creation to managing customer relationships. But human execution of these highly repetitive tasks, it's naturally inconsistent. We get tired, we get busy, and honestly, we just forget.
The core difference here is pretty clear. Manual marketing is completely dependent on your memory, your energy, and your time. It is downright exhausting. AI marketing, on the other hand, is automated. It's continuous, and it executes 24/7. Repetitive work is exactly what AI excels at. So instead of hiring more people just to do repetitive execution, or worse, burning yourself out trying to do it all alone, we really need to step back and let AI handle those routine tasks.
Moving on to Section 2, the digital workforce. It's time we redefine AI.
The absolutely crucial mindset shift you need to make is this. AI doesn't replace humans. Instead, it handles the repetitive work so you can focus on strategy, creativity, and relationships. This is the bedrock of practical AI implementation. Whether you're a consultant running a digital marketing agency, a real estate professional, a chartered accountant, or a small business owner in India, your real, irreplaceable value is in strategy, negotiation, and building trust with your clients. You absolutely shouldn't be spending your precious hours copy-pasting data from an email into a spreadsheet. Your AI digital workforce takes over all that operational heavy lifting, empowering you to do the high-level human work that actually drives your growth.
Section 3, the AI marketing machine blueprint. Let's look at building a connected ecosystem.
All right, let's walk through the top-of-funnel steps. Imagine traffic is coming in from your platforms, LinkedIn, YouTube, maybe some ads. Step 1, an AI content agent automatically creates your blogs, posts, and videos. Then, Step 2, a social agent publishes them right on schedule. When someone clicks a link, boom, Step 3, your landing page captures their information. And instantly, Step 4 kicks in. An AI lead qualification agent takes that email, researches the company using public data, and figures out if they're actually a good fit for you. All of this happens in seconds. It's automatically bringing in traffic and qualifying the lead before you even realize they exist.
Now moving right along to the bottom of the funnel. Once that lead is qualified, Step 1, your CRM updates automatically. Zero manual data entry required. Step 2, an email and WhatsApp AI immediately sends a personalized welcome message and a really friendly follow-up. If the prospect replies, Step 3 activates. The AI appointment agent reads their intent and automatically books a meeting directly onto your calendar. And finally, Step 4. After your meeting is done, an AI agent takes the transcript and generates a customized proposal for you to review. This entire connected system continuously nurtures that captured lead, practically walking them right up to your doorstep.
Section 4, a real-world business scenario. Let's look at a consulting use case.
Let's bring this to life. Imagine you run a B2B consulting firm. A prospect named Rajesh, who happens to own a manufacturing company, visits your website and downloads your free AI guide. Now, in a traditional manual setup, Rajesh's email would just sit there in your inbox until you eventually found the time to look at it, which, let's be honest, could be days later.
But with your new AI marketing machine, the exact moment Rajesh hits download, the AI springs into action. First, it scores the lead by identifying his manufacturing industry and estimating his company's size. Then, it drafts an email and immediately sends a personalized message saying something like, "Hi Rajesh, I noticed your manufacturing company is expanding. Based on your industry, I've attached 3 specific use cases that can reduce manual work on your factory floor. Think about that. The AI just did hours of manual research and tailored outreach in mere minutes, landing right in Rajesh's inbox while his interest is at its absolute peak. It's a total game changer."
Section 5. Your connected tech stack. Let's talk about the affordable AI tools you'll need.
Now, you might be wondering about the tech. The good news is you do not need impossibly expensive software for this. You just need a connected stack of affordable tools. For the brain of your operation, you can use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. For automation, which is basically the digital glue holding the whole shebang together, use visual drag-and-drop platforms like N8N, Make, or Zapier. For your CRM, HubSpot, or Go High Level work perfectly. And for email outreach, you've got tools like SmartLead or Instantly. Many of these offer free starting plans, which is perfect for Indian startups, freelancers, SaaS companies, and growing businesses to start small and scale up as revenue grows. And the absolute best part? None of this requires you to write a single line of code. No way!
But hey, before you rush off to build this, you need to avoid a few common implementation mistakes. First off, do not automate a broken process. Seriously, if your sales pitch is bad, AI is just going to deliver a bad pitch faster. Second, don't buy 10 tools at once. You'll just get completely overwhelmed. Start small. And third, never ever remove humans from relationship building and final sales decisions. AI is there to supplement your human touch, not completely replace it. Remember, the goal here is efficiency, not a robotic, impersonal customer experience.
Section 6. The 6-week implementation plan. Here is your step-by-step guide.
Here is a really manageable timeline for you. Week 1. Focus only on automating your content creation and social posting. Just get that consistent. Week 2, set up your lead capture landing pages. Week 3, build out your automated email and WhatsApp follow-ups. Week 4, connect all of this directly into your CRM. Week 5, tackle automated proposal generation for after your meetings. And finally, Week 6, create your analytics dashboard so you can actually see your entire factory working. If you just improve one workflow at a time, the automation compounds. By the end of 6 weeks, you'll literally have a fully functioning digital workforce.
Look, the businesses that grow the fastest over the next 5 years won't necessarily be the ones with the biggest teams or the deepest pockets. They're going to be the ones with the best AI systems. Having an AI-powered business operating system is literally the ultimate competitive advantage. Those who adopt these systems today are going to massively outpace anyone still clinging to exhausting manual processes. It's time to think way beyond using AI as a simple chatbot. Start viewing it as a dedicated team of intelligent digital employees working for you around the clock.
So, if you're an Indian professional, a business owner, an entrepreneur, a marketer, or even a student who wants to stay ahead in this AI era, this Explainer series is absolutely for you. Every single week, I'm going to show you how to build practical AI systems that solve real business problems. Everything from AI employees and marketing automation to sales workflows, customer support, and complete business process transformation. If you don't want to be left behind while others use AI to grow way faster, subscribe right now, turn on those notifications, and join thousands of professionals who are learning AI the practical way. Head over to AIskillace.com to start your AI journey today. And hey, if your organization wants AI training or end-to-end implementation, definitely get in touch. Let's build smarter businesses together using AI. So I have to ask, what repetitive process are you going to automate first?